Hello. So enter the jiggle mode, tap on the plus icon in top left or right, and here you will have NFL widget. So for that widget to be available, you will need to have this official NFL app. So this is how it's called. Just search it and install on iPhone, and then just install this NFL widget. There are two sizes, small and medium. Add the medium size. And then open an app, and you will need to open an app to enable this iOS 14 widget. So there you have it, and then you will see which games are streaming, schedules, and similar information. Hope it is helpful for you guys, and then of course if you tap and hold you can easily remove widget.